Y'all doing a survey?
Yeah.
Are you? Looks like maybe you're packing up. About done?
Not really.
Not really. Where are you heading next? Did y'all get the landowner's permission to do that? You think so?
Pretty sure they said
You don't have it in writing or anything like that?
Highway Patrol said that we have permission on any of this property.
Well, we were told yesterday that that the Highway Patrol was on the scene, and they were, because I was here yesterday for a little while anyways. And I spoke with Mr. Humphrey here. And that the Highway Patrol told the landowners that they needed to let the surveyors on their property, even though the surveyors have been notified that they were not allowed on the property. What were you told about the surveyors being here?
I was not told anything specifically about surveyors being here.
But you are aware of their presence?
Yes, sir.
What were you told about the permissions that they were allowed to exercise while they were here?
So I haven't been told anything.
Why do you think they're on the property?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, I can help you out on that regard.
Fill me in.
This gentleman right here is an OTA contractor.
Okay.
They were specifically told they could not enter this property to do their surveys unless they complied with what are called biohazard and biosafety protocols, which is what many ranchers and farmers in the state use to protect their herds and their crops from being contaminated by things like the screwworm and mad cow disease and all this stuff.
Are these things you're familiar with?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's my duty to make you aware as a law enforcement officer, of Oklahoma Statutes Title 21, Section 1835, which talks about surveyors and engineers being on a person's property, that they are allowed to go on a person's property unless forbidden to do so, either orally or in writing by the owner and lawful occupier thereof. These surveyors are breaking the law. They were notified that they were not allowed on the property, and that they came out here yesterday with Highway Patrol, who intimidated the landowners into letting their surveyors jump the fence and do their work, even though they had been told they were not allowed here. So these surveyors, that gentleman right there and his company, are breaking the law. So I guess it's my responsibility to make sure that he knows that, and that you as a law enforcement officer know that also. And if you'd like to just take a look at it, that would be, but that's the text. The part that's in yellow right there describes that they're allowed on the property unless forbidden to do so by the property owners or the occupants. They have been forbidden to do so. So are you going to enforce the law and get the surveyors off of this property?
We're not going to remove any surveyors from the property at this time.
So you're going to allow them to break the law. You're going to enable them to break the law.
So, hey, I'm not familiar with these laws.
Take a look at it.
I will.
I didn't make it up.
Okay.
I didn't write it.
I'll take my time to read it.
If you would.
Hold on, let me talk. So,
yes, sir.
Of
course you can talk.
So I'm familiar with them as well.
Okay.
But, hey, the people who instructed us to be out here, they're fully aware of any statutes or anything like that, or maybe apply to this situation.
I don't think that they are.
Until I'm instructed otherwise, I'm going to continue to do what I'm doing.
I understand. You're just doing what you've been told to do.
Yes, sir.
I get it. Lots of people are doing what they've been told to do, right or wrong. And so, yeah, if you wouldn't mind, I have now notified you of what the law says. I've notified this gentleman of what the law says.
Yes, sir.
So y'all both know it. Read that. Look it up for yourself. Get online and look it up, because it's there. And it doesn't take a lawyer to understand it.